we've got the wheels not moving, got it off the ground, got a breaker bar with a 2.5 kilo at the end. I'm going to undo the brakes manually from behind. Hopefully they'll give, and this will be enough weight just to turn the wheel to let me know that it's freed. Otherwise it's taken the whole lot off, taking the bearings and all that out. But I'm hoping this is going to work. Give me a sec till I get underneath. Okay, it's not looking good. Well, they seem to work beautiful. Took a couple of turns, probably 3/4 of a turn to a turn and a half on the different sides. But as you can see, it worked perfectly. That wheel's now freed up. I'm now concerned that the actual cylinders, they were a bit dodgy turning them. So I'm going to take the wheel off, take the hub off, check the adjusters, and hopefully the rest of it's all right. Otherwise it's a complete refurb, which considering is quite good. Alright, so this is Ritchie's garage back in action, doing stuff you probably want to see, don't want to see. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks very much. Catch you on the next one.